What's going on, you guys? Classic Night here with another video, another blog slash I don't know what to call it. I'm just talking. But today, got a signed video today. We're going to put on the Roush Exhaust that I got, which I did an unboxing video. So that should be uploaded today, which this video should be up tomorrow. So you know it's confusing. No, it's not. You guys can figure it out. But yeah, we're gonna put the Roush Exhaust on my 2019 GT Mustang. So I'm gonna get everything loaded up in the gray car right here, and I'll meet you guys at the shop. All right, see you there. So we just made it to the shop. It is freaking hot outside. It's like, no, it's not 100 degrees. It's like 90 so I don't. But by the way, I'm at the shop. They got a couple people in front of me, so we're gonna wait in line. And I'm gonna try to do the time-lapse thing. I said I was gonna do that during the car wash video, but my camera was about dead and it wasn't gonna work. But now I got a little bit more charge on my camera. We're going to try out the time lapse here. If that doesn't work out, we're going to try the time lapse somewhere. So just know that's coming soon. Oh snap! That dropped the camera. But yeah, I'll let you know when we get started, and that's it pretty much. So we got everything on the ground laid out. So now we got the car on the lift. So we're about to get everything started. So we got the stock exhaust out. So we got all this. So now we're about to install the Roush exhaust. So we got the mufflers on. All we have left to do is put on the tips. We got the S pipe on. So we just make sure everything fits right before we tighten everything down. Just having fun now. It's a couple hours later. Just got back from the, well, not just got back from the, we've been here for hours, but we're back with the car. Got it installed. And my God, that car is loud. I was not expecting. I knew it was gonna be loud, but I didn't know it was gonna be this loud. Like, this is just ridiculously loud. Like, I just said that so weird, ridiculous. But anyway, I'm gonna get some clips. I'm gonna make that a whole nother video. And compare the different exhausts from stock exhaust to the Roush catback exhaust with the X pipe. So that's definitely gonna be my next video. I gotta get some more clips. I didn't get many clips of my car being stock exhaust, so I gotta use my cousin's car, which he's gonna upgrade his exhaust. So before he gets his upgraded, he's gonna get some clips for me, and we'll do some before and afters of stock exhaust and now the Roush exhaust. And we'll definitely do his video when he gets his stuff when he comes back for Mustang Week. And that's what we're doing. We're just getting everything done before Mustang Week, because this is my first Mustang Week. It's his first Mustang Week, and we want this to be just completely just great down there. It's a great time. I say this is gonna be an awesome time. I know a lot of you guys are getting your last minute mods together, getting everything, paint corrections, wraps, stuff, whatever. I have been seeing around my area guys getting in roof wraps, cleaning their cars up, getting different packages in the mail. I talked to a couple guys, you know, they're getting their stuff in the mail for their cars and everything. So I've just lost my brain just went blank. but we're not gonna edit this out. We're just gonna keep on going. But yeah, new video coming out of what it sounds like cold start. I keep doing this with my arm in a lot of videos. I noticed that a lot. But yeah, cold starts definitely gonna come through here. Takeoffs, revs, you name it, we're gonna get that going, and that'll be a whole different video. So like I said, since I got this car, a lot of content's gonna start coming out. I mean, a lot. And the time-lapse thing messed up again. It didn't work out. I didn't have nowhere to set my camera up in the shop to do the time-lapse, so I just did small clippets of just them working on it. I'll also put, I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but I'll put my Instagram and stuff in the description. You can see different pictures of them putting it together if you didn't want to watch this, you know, small video I'm doing right now. This is one of the longest outros I've done before. I guess that means I'm getting a little bit more comfortable. But anyway, off topic. But yeah, so we're gonna try to get all this going, and definitely during Mustang week we're gonna have a lot of content. And like I said, when I first bought the car, a lot of content is gonna come to this channel for this car, and I also will get a lot of content with this car, which we call this Blur. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with her yet. I mean, she looks good, done a couple mods. I'll do a video on what I got all done to that car. It is a V6, it's first car. I got it senior year of high school. So yeah, it's special to me. I would never get rid of this car, and I also got the car signed by Jack Roush. I mean, you can't get rid of that stuff. So yeah, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and like I said, stay tuned. It's just a lot going on with this channel, but we're gonna get some stuff cleaned up out here in the yard, and I hope you guys have a great day. Subscribe, like, comment, share this video, please. Help me get out there, because I am new to YouTube world, so anything, just help me out. Well, you guys have a good day, and keep it classic.